Nissan is bringing back the Titan, but don't let that headline grab all your attention. The real action might just be happening one size down. The Frontier has been the steady heartbeat of Nissan's truck lineup, sticking around when others thought it was done for. And now, it's time for another big moment. The 2027 model is about to bring something special, smarter, stronger, and more capable than ever. So before you drop cash on a 2026 or any other midsize pickup, maybe hold off a bit. Here are 4 reasons the 2027 Nissan Frontier is absolutely worth the wait. Join us as we explore the world of wheels. Subscribe now and buckle up for the adventure. Number 4. That glorious V6. Here's some good news in a world full of downsizing. Nissan's sticking with its 3.8-liter V6, and that's a move worth applauding. It delivers 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, backed by a smooth 9-speed automatic gearbox and a 7,150 pound towing capacity. Those are real truck numbers. No gimmicks, no marketing talk. While most rivals have turned to turbocharged 4 cylinders to squeeze out extra efficiency, Nissan kept faith in the naturally aspirated 6. And now, with recent emission standards easing up, that decision looks flat-out visionary. Suddenly, the V6 isn't an outdated dinosaur. It's a refined, durable power plant with character and a sound you can actually feel in your chest. Truck owners love the V6 for a reason. It's smoother off the line, less stressed under load, and doesn't rely on high-strung turbos to get the job done. You don't worry about heat soak, lag, or complicated repair bills down the road. Just solid, old-school grunt that fits a real truck like the Frontier. With Nissan hinting at the Titan's return, possibly with a V8 under the hood, it feels like the brand is quietly setting up for an old-school comeback. And keeping the V6 in the Frontier is the clearest sign of that yet. Number 3. The plug-in hybrid game changer. Here's where things get interesting. Nissan's been teasing hybrid tech for years, but now it's official. A plug-in configuration is real. The first version just broke cover in China, based on the Nissan Dongfeng Z9 platform. It's a totally new setup, sharing only the name with the Frontier we know in North America, but it gives us a solid peek at what's coming next. The spec sheet will blow your mind. 402 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Oh, and it can run 83 miles purely on electricity before the gas engine even wakes up. If those numbers sound wild for a midsize truck, that's because they are. Nissan's plan is to export the hybrid version, though pricing and tariffs could make or break its US debut. Still, it's hard to ignore the potential here. Imagine all that torque in a Frontier Pro 4X, crawling over rocks in complete silence, or commuting to work without burning a drop of gas. If Nissan's smart, and history says they usually are with the Frontier, they'll find a way to build the plug-in here in the States. The performance is just too good to stay overseas. Number 2. Pro 4X, the underrated off-road star. In the off-road world, the Frontier Pro 4X doesn't always get the love it deserves. Blame the louder marketing from Toyota or General Motors, but Nissan's rugged package quietly delivers the real deal. Bilstein shocks, skid plates, electronic locking rear differential, and all-terrain tires straight from the factory. Now picture this setup combined with the new hybrid powertrain and its massive torque. Instant electric shove at low speeds would be a game changer for rock crawling and steep climbs. It could turn the next Pro 4X into something genuinely special, not just a copycat off-roader, but a torque monster that eats technical terrain for breakfast. The Pro 4X has always had the right ingredients. What was needed was a spark of innovation, and that's exactly what's coming with the plug-in hybrid configuration. Number 1. Still one of the smartest buys around. Let's be honest, pricing makes or breaks a truck. Nissan knows that. The base 2027 Frontier is expected to hold the line at around $32,000, which is a solid deal in a market where no midsize pickup is available under $30,000. The Pro 4X sits around $42,000, which feels like a bargain compared to rivals' off-road packages. That leaves room for the plug-in hybrid to slot in higher, but Nissan needs to tread carefully here. The tech is impressive, no doubt, But if the sticker shock kills accessibility, it'll miss the point. If they get it right and keep the hybrid within reach, Nissan could have the perfect 1-2 punch, an old-school gas V6 for the purists, and a torque-heavy hybrid for the next generation truckers. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.